place of Pariprasad is Paryavaranyana, this the surrounding place, these are exactly the same possession. No, that all is okay. What my answer is, I want your definition of environment. You are doing MTech Environmental Engineering, Masters in National Institute of Technology. I want that you should have your own understanding of the term. There I said, Amma, Paryavarana ante endo kaadu. కొండల బండల గుండెల మాటను సంచరించు కుక్కలు నక్కలు పిల్లులు బల్లులు తేళ్లు తాబేడు పొందేడు పీచురాడు పావురాడు. All these are names of animals in Telugu. I was telling my mother, but I will not tell in Telugu because I will tell in Sanskrit because interest is investment. When I prefer Sanskrit, my mother said no, don't take Sanskrit. What is its use? If you learn Hindi, if you take second language Hindi, then entire country you can speak. What is the use of Sanskrit? Who